Marty, are you gonna try radish?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
Because I don't like it.
You've never tried it though, so how do you know?
No, I don't like the skin of it.
It's so delicious though. Try it.
No, I don't like the skin of it. I don't.
If I took the skin off, would you try it?
No.
Hi guys, and welcome to Cooking at Fan's Kitchen. Today I'm in a pickle. Joking. Today we'll be pickling radishes. Radish is a root vegetable. Sometimes it's confused as a beet or a turnip, but it's completely different. It's eaten all around the world and it's quite versatile. However, a lot of people are afraid to roast it or just use it up. So you find that it's pickled a lot or it's just added raw to salads. So, should we try? All right. That's good. Tangy. We made this a month ago. Our neighbor planted radishes and he had excess, so he gave us some. So we decided to pickle them. It's fairly easy. It's so easy. If you're not a cook or you're never in the kitchen, you can do this. 1, 2, 3. So we used sugar, vinegar, pickling spice, and salt. Basically, that's it. And it's easy, delicious. It's sweet, tangy, with a lingering spice at the end. And today we're gonna join Chef Matthew, and he's gonna teach us how to pickle radishes. So, what are you waiting on? Let's go! So for pickling radishes, we need salt, sugar, of course a measuring cup, or you could just wing it, vinegar, and the pot that you'll be pickling in, and a generic pickling spice. So Matthew, if you cannot find a generic pickling spice, what can you use instead?
Put me on the spot. You just some mustard seeds, pepper seeds, fennel seeds, coriander. I can just read the label, see what else is in here. Cinnamon, allspice, bay leaves, cloves, just basically whatever's in your spice cabinet. And they're just whole, they're not ground or anything. They're just in whole spices.
Oh, so basically it's best to just buy the pickling spice.
Yeah, I mean everything's in here. They have a whole bunch of stuff in here. It's pretty
Pretty
solid.
Okay, thank you.
First. So we're gonna do 2 cups of vinegar. One cup of water.
One cup of water.
Yep. Half cup of sugar. Just kind of guessing. Tablespoon of salt. I would say round it off, tablespoon. Pickling spice. A few shakes. Don't go too crazy. Bring it to a boil.
So here we have the pickling liquid. We have the pickling spice blend, water, sugar, and vinegar. And we're gonna bring this to a boil.
Once it's boiling, just taste it, make sure it's how you want it.
Well, don't burn your mouth.
It's gonna taste like a sweet and sour vinegar. That's all it's gonna taste like.
Can
Make sure it's a little sweet and a little salty.
So you just pour the pickling liquid over the radishes, and then you put a paper towel over it. And Matthew, what's the reason for the paper towel?
Just to keep the heat in there so they continue to cook.
Okay. So it keeps the heat in the whatever container you use.
Keeps them covered in liquid.
You know, it just keeps them covered. And wait like 6 hours, Matthew?
At least. I'd wait till the next day.
Yeah, and you know, with pickles, the longer you keep it in the liquid, the better it is.
But you want to make sure you refrigerate them.
But once it's cool?
Once they're somewhat cooled down,
Okay.
put them in the refrigerator.
You hear that, guys? Once it's cooled down, you put it in your refrigerator. Okay, guys, there we have it. Pickled radishes. So we left this in the fridge for a month because the longer the better. Look at that. Very delicious. And you can pickle just about anything. You can pickle watermelon rind, you can pickle cucumber, you can pickle carrots, pepper. It's a way of preserving the vegetable. It's very delicious. So give it a try and leave a comment and let me know how your pickling went, you know. Let me know, was it easy? Do you think it was hard? What did you pickle? And maybe the next time I pickle something, I'll send you a jar. So don't forget to subscribe to Cooking at Fan's Kitchen and hit the notification bell for new videos. And I'm asking you to write in the comment below and let me know what it is that you would like me to make next time.